Today I'm going to change out the burner control switch. First of all, just to be safe, we need to make sure that we unplug this stove from the wall. We have 10 separate screws that we need to go ahead and remove from the back panel of this stove. Just to give you a little background on this, initially I thought it was the heating element that was burnt out. However, it turned out that it was the burner control unit that needed to be replaced. Here in just a second, I will show you where you can see where it has burnt out. As you can see here, clearly you can see where it has burnt. So this switch needs to be replaced. Alright, so here at the front end, we just have to pull the knob out, and right behind it, you're going to see 2 screws that need to be removed. Okay, so the next step is to pull the wires out, and they are attached to a plastic clip. There's 2 of them. You're going to pull the top one off, and then we will pull the one beneath that one. Alright, here we grab the brand new one, take it out of the box, and of course all we have to do now is just reverse the process. Take the new one out, plug the wires back in, and set it in place. Now let's go ahead and just reattach the screws to hold the unit control switch back in where it needs to be. Next, we need to put the screws back in place. And there you go. All the burners are now working. The one on the front right was the one that was not working. As you can see there, it's clearly working now. So it was not the heating element like I originally thought. It turned out to be the burner control switch. Thank you for watching.